fixing this.
Does it hurt? Does it? People say it hurts.
Everybody takes pain differently. You know, not too bad. On a scale of 1 to 10, how well do you take pain?
Well, I've never really had any painful things happen to me.
No.
I've never broken an arm, never nothing.
Knock on wood. You can walk out of here, trip on your. Oh shit! My arm should have landed on my face.
I haven't even fell on my face.
You keep jinxing yourself. Alright. Here we go. Deep breath. That was not your cartilage, that was the cork.
Oh, okay.
And the cork is there so I won't stab anything else in your ear.
Yeah, like inside.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Cool.
I thought it was gonna hurt more. Maybe the other one.
Well, yeah, sometimes you do feel...
Right? Like more pain on the other side than the other one?
Yeah. You feel more on one side than the other. Deep breath. Again, that was a cork.
Yeah, I heard it. I could hear it like squeak.
How? I don't know why I'm cracking up. Just sounded too funny.
I like making noises. And especially when I'm telling stories.
Did your head slide? Oh my god, I'm already picturing how I'm gonna make your video. Like, squeak. I like to make noises. Oh my gosh, you are done.
Thank you.
You want to say hi to anyone on YouTube world?
My husband, Nono, and my daughter, Brianna. Thank you.
Cool, thank you for subscribing.
Here, like squeak. I like making noises. Squeak. Here, like squeak.